Have you ever heard of a dynasty that ruled Magadha after the Shungas, yet remains almost forgotten in history? After the fall of the Shunga dynasty, a new power emerged, the Kanva dynasty. The Kanva dynasty began around 73 BCE, founded by Vasudeva Kanva, who was originally a minister in the court of the last Shunga king, Devabhuti. Seeing the weakness of the ruler, Vasudeva overthrew him and took control of Magadha, one of the most powerful regions of ancient India. The Kanva rulers governed for about 45 years. After Vasudeva, 3 kings followed: Bhumimitra, Narayana, and Susarman. However, their rule was not very strong. Unlike earlier empires, they struggled to maintain control over distant regions. During this time, regional powers started rising. The most notable among them was the Satavahana dynasty, which gained strength in the Deccan region. Eventually, around 28 BCE, the last Kanva ruler, Susarman, was overthrown, bringing an end to the dynasty. With their fall, Magadha lost its central dominance and power shifted to regional kingdoms. Even though the Kanva dynasty was short-lived, it played an important role in the transition of power in ancient India. Their story reminds us how internal weakness can lead to the downfall of even established rule. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like, share,